Hey y'all, welcome to our channel MF Cooking. Today we're making spinach and artichoke wonton cups. Enjoy the video, remember to like, share and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need chopped spinach, wonton wrappers, artichoke hearts, minced garlic, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, cream cheese, sour cream, mayonnaise, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, crushed red pepper, cayenne pepper, and cooking spray. Begin by greasing a muffin tin. Press the wonton wrappers into the muffin tin. Lightly spray the wrappers with cooking spray. Bake at 350 degrees for 5 minutes or until lightly crisp. Chop up the artichoke hearts. In a large bowl, add 4 ounces of cream cheese, a bag of chopped spinach, a half cup of artichokes, a tablespoon of minced garlic, a half cup of mozzarella cheese, a half cup of Parmesan cheese, 1/3 cup of mayo, and 1/4 cup of sour cream. Mix until well combined. Season with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, and crushed red pepper. Add the mixture to the wonton cups. Lightly spray the wrappers with cooking spray. Bake at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes or until golden and crispy. And there you have it, spinach and artichoke wonton cups. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.